Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am doing a VR for Nicole over at Vagabond Crafter. She is hosting a Disney themed birthday challenge and it's a crafter's choice. So this is the entry that I'm sending in. I had some Disney themed scrapbooking paper in my stash, so I just used the entire middle of the page for my card front, and then I just stamped it with a happy birthday. And of course, I'm doing my flat mail. She said to create things that you create, and so I like to do flat mail, so that's what this entry is. So on the inside, I just stuck these in the middle. Usually I would do a belly band, but I had too many bulky things in there. So I'm sharing these super cute Disney themed stickers. We have this set and then this set. And also on the inside, this is just my little note that I'm sharing with her, and it's a little vintage Mickey and my information. And here is the project. Down here on this belly band, I just used my Disney and Friends Cricut cartridge, created this large Mickey head. I hope I used the right colors. I kind of Googled it. I'm not really a Disney person, and so some of them had yellow bottoms. I wasn't sure. Anyways, I made on this side these pockets, and what I did was I used my Cuttlebug embossing folder to do the dots. Like, I know one of them has a bow that has dots. Here are some other Mickey heads, and I made a couple of different sizes. So hopefully she will be able to use some of these in her crafting. So those go in this pocket. In this pocket up here, I created some Minnie Mouse bows, and I made them pink. Some of the pictures were red. I went with pink because they also had pink ones, and I thought these were super cute in pink. For here, I am sharing some of my DoubleClickConnect dewdrops. I did a Disney release a while back, and I had some extra colors, so I'm sharing these dewdrops with her. And this is just a little card that I stuck down on the bottom. My actual Crafter's Choice entry is I made a Twinchy card, and again I used the Mickey head, and then I had some ephemera in my stash. I used it on one of the hard chipboard 2x2 chipboard pieces, and then I've just shared some of my information on the back, and that goes right up here, and everything will go in the middle just like that, and then it's flat. All right, well, that's my Disney entry for Nicole over at Vagabond Crafter. I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much for this fun challenge. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.